In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable text chat in Brawl Stars. If you're not seeing text messages from your teammates, don't worry. This is a common issue that can be easily fixed in your settings. First, open up Brawl Stars and head to the main menu. In the top right corner, you'll see a 3-line menu icon. Tap that to get into the game settings. In the game settings, look for the Mute Team Text Chat option. If it's turned off, you won't see any messages from your teammates. Just toggle it on to enable text chat. It's as simple as that. This setting is usually turned off by default, but it might be turned off because of your age or if you're using a guest account. Guest accounts can have restricted features. To get the most out of the game, consider linking your account to Supercell ID. It secures your progress and can unlock additional features, including text chat. Sometimes changes to settings need a quick restart of the game. So after you toggle on the Mute Team Text Chat option, close the game completely and reopen it to make sure the changes take effect.